Hey, it's Janice from Paul's Dream and Joy. We're going to use some of these goodies today to make a really fun card. Are you ready? Let's get started. First thing we need to do is have a card base. This is some Kraft paper. I just cut it in half and I'm going to score it here at 5.5. I like doing this because I love vertical cards. So this is going to be another
just focus, okay?
vertical card. It will open up this way. So we got that done. Now we're going to start layering some paper. Let me show you the image we're going to use today. This is some of the papers we're using. These solid papers are from Stampin' Up. The other ones are from the Deep Blue pack. This is also from Stampin' Up. Look at this little darling. Isn't she precious? We got some grass cut out, and we got a little tag cut out with the sentiment, "Let your light shine." We're going to put that on there. So enough talking, let's get going. We're going to use some roll tape for the first layer of the background. And then we're going to add this beautiful little thing to the front of that. This really is fun, fun, fun. Now we're going to add this one. I'm going to ink around the edges of this guy. Just a little bit, just enough for it to stand off from what's behind it. So this will go here. We can get that glued down. It's wonderful to stack all these different things. It makes it so cool. We're going to put her here, but what are we going to do? Yeah, you guessed it. We're going to put some stuff around here too. I like the way it gives it dimension and it doesn't look so flat. Oh, she's precious. Yay! All right, let's go ahead and get her on here. We're going to add this at the top. Let your light shine. That is one of Mary's card TV stamp sets called My Favorite Phrases, or Favorite Phrases. I don't think it has the my in front of it. You know what? We're almost done. I know. It's hard to believe, but this is how quickly it can go. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to get this one here. So let's see here. The way I cut this, first I cut the entire strip of grass, and then I've got this same image here, the same cut, and cut around it so it would fit perfectly at the bottom. Yay! How fun, how fun, how fun. But we're not done. Got to do the inside. So that's where whoever has the card can write whatever they want and send it to someone. Oh, but are we done? No, not yet. We're going to get some of this, I think. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet or not. I might. Let's tie a bow and see if how much it may add or how much it may take away from the cute little scene that we've created. Should we add it? Yes? No? Let's see. Oh, I don't know. I think that's going to be a yes. Get my little glue dots out. Wonderful thing about glue dots, they're so easy to use. Looky, looky. Ta-da! That's the front. And that's the inside. Yay! Yay! This is Mary's, some of her stamps. Let Your Light Shine. She has a lot of these. They're all fun. Thank you guys for spending some time with me today in my craft room. And I will have some more posts up soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye.